a Dutch beginners course for free. Yeah! Hi everyone, welcome to this free online Dutch beginners course. In this course, I will guide you from the start to a certain level that you will be able to have basic conversational skills. This means that we start from the very beginning of just saying hello and good day, and then every class is dedicated to a certain subject. It can be pronunciation, it can be some grammar, or it can be a more conversational subject, because that's what we're learning here, right? So this course is for the very beginners, but actually also for students who want to revise the grammar that they learned before a little bit. So basically it's for everyone. And then at the end of each class, I will give you some homework. This entails that I'll ask you to write something in the comments that you learned in this specific class. The first classes, like this introduction, will be almost entirely in English. But then, as we progress, I will switch more and more to Dutch. Because yeah, we're here to learn Dutch, right? Not to learn about Dutch. No, you want to learn Dutch. So I'm gonna talk in Dutch. But don't worry. There will always be English subtitles and Dutch subtitles, and some of you already started to translate my English or Dutch subtitles into their own language. So don't forget, for every video, to check in the YouTube settings if subtitles in your language are maybe already available. And then, if you really want to dive deeper into the material, you can also enroll in my online school, because also with every video that I upload, I will upload an online class in this Dutch beginners course. In every class, you can download a summary of what I talked about in the video. Sometimes there are other extra materials. Whenever it's a grammar class, you can also take some extra quizzes to really actively test your knowledge. At this moment that I'm recording this video, there are already 4 classes available, and all the other classes will come over the next few months, because it takes me some time to make all these videos and all these classes, but I can assure you that I will make all these materials. And maybe if you tune in later than today or this week or this month, then everything's already online and available. Lucky you. Or you can choose to become a patron, because then you also get access to this course, but you also get access to podcasts, extra tests, or even online classes with me. So depending on what you want and how deep you want to dive in this adventure of learning Dutch, you can decide what to do. If you want to follow this course and you're not subscribed yet, then you have to do that right now and hit the notification button. And if you think that others can benefit from my course or my other videos, then share them with the world. Yes, get them out there. So check the link. And if you want to know the curriculum of the course, just go to the website and you will see everything, all the topics that we will cover. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. See you in the next video and let's learn some Dutch.